Well, hello everyone. You might be wondering what's happened to the wobbly fat bike. I've been having a lot of trouble getting a 26 by 100mm rim, unless it's a 300 quid carbon fibre one. So I'm just going to build this wheel to get the thing going. Got this hub off Amazon, some old spokes, and this crappy spoke key which really annoys me. I'll loosen them all off first. Oh yeah, got to do the tape as well, and all the paint's come off. It's amazing how strong the wheel is, even though I've undone all the spokes on one side. You know, this is a bit slow, it's annoying. Here we go, this is more like it. I'll keep that all together so I can rebuild it again really quickly. It's a pretty battered rim. Make that very battered rim. My god, I am so neat. Right, here's the fun bit. It's actually quite easy. On a 36 rim, it's just 2 at the hub, 5 at the rim. The holes are huge, so I'm having to use washers to stop the spokes pulling through. There you go, that'll do it. Professional wheel builders will mock. No, these spokes just are not the right length. You know, it's just a temporary build. My lord, it's only ½ an inch out. Refit the shock. Of course, you know I'm mounting the bbshd upside down. I think it's loads better because the wires are coming out of damaged way. It's not hanging forward to hit a rock. Not many frames let you do this. In fact, only home-built ones. Obviously, I'm not using this rear freewheel. I'm just seeing if it fits. The usual bbshd problem, does the chain line up well? Probably going to use spacers to hold the cog away from the rim. Honestly, it doesn't look too bad. Now, these spokes are hopeless. I just can't pull the rim over to the centre properly. I have to bite the bullet and buy some new spokes. And here's a 26 by 4.5 tyre I got off eBay. Fortunately, it's a lot bigger and I've got a problem I didn't have before. It hits the bbshd. Got several ways around this. I can either lift the bbshd up so it's out the way, but I don't want to do that. I can extend these homemade brackets to move the whole swinging arm back. A little bit of play left on the shock. An actual proper 100mm rim would flatten the tyre a bit more. Or I can reuse the 100mm 24 rim. It would certainly help with the gearing on the bike. I wouldn't need such a low gear on the cogs. I'd also lose a little bit of clearance. To be honest, when you're climbing up something and you're struggling, it's actually nicer having a smaller wheel. It makes it more agile. Not sure if the increased contact patch of the bigger rim is really that important. Also limited on the 24 tyres, you can't get that many types. I think probably the best thing to do is to extend the swinging arm, but let's see. I'll do that in the future. I can do that anytime. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you again next week.